getting to know your correct bra size is an important step for bra fitting. Tape measuring is the most common method used to calculate your bra size, but keep in mind you might still need to tweak the size a little bit just to get a perfect fit. I'm wearing a sports bra here for modesty, but when you start, you need to wear a best-fitting underwire bra, not a minimizer or a padded bra. Your breasts should be well lifted so that the center of them is between your elbow and shoulder. Let's get the band size. Standing straight in front of a mirror, wrap the tape around your back, underneath your armpits, and just underneath your bust. Keep the tape parallel to the floor and not binding. If the measurement is not an exact number, round it to the nearest inch. Using this number, you can check our band size chart and find your estimated band size. Now let's get the cup size. Standing straight and staying relaxed, wrap the tape around your back and underneath your armpits at the fullest part of your bust. Again, keep the measuring tape parallel to the floor and not binding. If the measurement is not an exact number, round it to the nearest inch. Now, if you subtract the band size from the bust measurement, you will get the cup size. Say your band size is a 34 and bust measurement is a 37. Then the difference is a 3, which is the C in our cup size chart. So according to this method, the bra size is a 34C. Please be aware that you might still need to adjust the bra size for different styles and fabric. If you are ordering an S-shape bra, you might need to go up a band size. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!